Hi, it's Brian Decker with your Market Minute. I want to talk to you about a couple of new technologies that are very, very exciting. One is a startup called RainMaker. It's revolutionizing cloud seeding, the technique that makes clouds rain on demand. China actually used this cloud seeding technology to drain the skies to keep the skies clear during 2008 Olympics. Dubai, which gets just 4 inches of rain a year, what about Seattle gets in 2 weeks. So it developed what amounts to an atmospheric cattle prod. Drones fire laser-guided electrical pulses into the clouds, forcing water droplets to cluster and fall. No cloud seeding, but these are using drones to fire the laser-guided electronic pulses into the clouds. Los Angeles-based RainMaker is bringing this technology to America now, bigger and better than ever. Forget the old seeding techniques of burning thousands of dollars in jet fuel and spraying silver iodide into the clouds. Phoenix actually froze new building permits because it can't guarantee water for future residents. So RainMaker could transform Arizona into a tropical paradise. We're exaggerating a little bit. So anyhow, that's one that we're very excited about is RainMaker. The second is Dubai. Desalination plants are very expensive, making water prohibitively expensive. But in Dubai, they've figured it out. Now desalination plants in Dubai pump out enough fresh water daily to fill 890 Olympic-sized swimming pools. So between the water shortage, like for example in California, to be able to have that water coming from the ocean instead of being last in line for the Colorado River and draining, for example, Lake Powell, Lake Mead, now we have desalination technology that can help on that. So very exciting, two technologies wanted to highlight this morning. Hope you have a great week.